Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing divorce documentation associated with K-1, K-3, CR-1, and IR-1 visas. What are those categories? Well, those are categories for either the fiancé of an American citizen or the spouse of an American citizen or lawful permanent resident. What we're talking about here with regard to divorce documentation is prior divorce documentation. This can actually lead to requests for evidence where, for example, a divorce decree nisi rather than a final decree of divorce is submitted to the Department of Homeland Security in connection with one of these type of visa cases, and that's not a final decree of divorce. And you may get a request for evidence issued where they say, hey, we want to see the final decree of divorce, and then you got to go ahead and deal with that. It may slow things down a little bit. That said, I'm seeing requests for evidence in a large number of cases. People should not get freaked out about the idea that basically a request for evidence has even been issued. It's unfortunately far more common than we'd frankly like it. That being said, yeah, divorce documentation is an integral component of any visa application and petition for immigration benefits. So it is sort of just one more thing to be aware of when you're dealing with this process. As noted in other videos, the overall process associated with National Visa Center, in my opinion, has been better. I was talking to another practitioner the other day and they were saying, oh, well, actually I found the NVC to be quite easy to deal with recently. Well, good for you, because I haven't seen it acting like that. Now, long story short, maybe they're dealing with different cases. Maybe he's just nicer. Maybe, this person deals with the system better than I do. But divorce decrees are another one of these things that can be very nettlesome, especially when dealing with visa documentation processing through the National Visa Center.